Hello and welcome at our channel. Today we'll talk about INDI, very interesting price action, finishing at 647, though negative. And for last 3 days, it was a lot of hopes here for possible breakthrough, but didn't happen. We are now in decline. The question is, what's next? Well, news are not so bad. This is a very interesting position, preparing for major rebounds. Though for now it's still like, let's say, it's clear it's preparing, but it still might go a little bit lower. Of good, very strong indicators is that, of course, the descending channel, that's the support line, changed to, let's say, to a positive support. We observed here. Today we finished this trade. The question is what will happen tomorrow. What might be happening, it might show similar candle but green, and then it would mean the final rebounds, or it might pierce further and actually go lower, starting to form a second negative wave on the MACD histogram, and then only then starting to go up. In both cases, the same situation is very indecisive. It's stochastic RSI, by the way. It's kind of going down, but then will rebound definitely. So it's showing similar situation observed here, though the rebounds will be much stronger than it was in the situation of July, end of July, because we already quite lower and we are 250-20 kind of pattern, meaning that moving average 200 is above, then 50 and then 20 and the price is below. So this is in general descending ready for rebounds condition, but you need also to look at other indicators. We had our first, let's say, try out to pierce after long wait period as stochastic RSI, usually because moving average 20 was still descending very strongly. It's a false let's say breakthrough. It's just a rebounds, very classical behavior. But what is very positive here, that the price was sticking towards moving average 20. So it tries to pierce through, pierce through, didn't happen, and now it's here. So simply speaking, if tomorrow it goes higher than moving average 20, I would immediately buy with some portion and wait, because it might spike very fast. If it do go lower than the today's low, so most probably then it will go to these levels. Then anything below this line, let's draw it with light blue, would be a very good buy opportunity. Though here, if it pierces further, it might go again very deep, but the rebounds should be epic. So I would start buying in portions. I would say in 5 portions. If it goes here, buy with 1 portion, wait. If it goes below, buy with 2 portions. If it goes lower than this level, actually is very clear final support line. If it goes lower, this one I will buy with final 2. So 3 levels to buy with negative averaging down, classical approach, but it's very ready for rebounds. Very good stock, by the way, to observe. Might be either immediate rebounds tomorrow if it goes higher than moving average 20, or if it goes lower than this green line that we just drawn here, then might be spiky moving down. It might be very fast action, but then the rebound should be epic, because overall moving average 20 is almost to turn, still didn't go through extrema. It's in the second derivative, let's throw it green, it's still negative, but it's almost ready to turn. Might take a few days, might be very spiky, but if you buy slowly, average down slowly, should be very good trade. So I'll be watching this definitely. If you like this way of analysis, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, press like, bell and subscribe. This way you will not miss our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you at another episode of Stocks Advisor.